Home activity verbs. Cook.
Cook.
Mom cooks dinner. Wash.
Wash.
Wash your hands. Clean.
Clean.
Clean your room. Sweep.
Sweep.
Sweep the floor. Mop.
Mop.
Mop the floor with water. Fold.
Fold.
Fold the clothes neatly. Iron.
Iron.
Iron the shirt before wearing it. Brush.
Brush.
Brush your teeth. Comb.
Comb.
Comb your hair. Bathe.
Bathe.
The baby bathes. Shower.
Shower.
I shower daily. Dress.
Dress.
Dress quickly. Pack.
Pack.
Pack your bag. Unpack.
Unpack.
Unpack the toys. Water.
Water.
Water the plants. Plant.
Plant.
Plant a seed. Feed.
Feed.
Feed the dog. Fix.
Fix.
Fix the toy. Decorate.
Decorate.
Decorate the room. Organize.
Organize.
Organize the books.